If you find it difficult to use VLOOKUP formula, then this video is perfect for you because I'm going to explain VLOOKUP formula with very simple example. Let's dive in. In this example, I have three columns, one with ID, second with name, and third with location. So here, if I want to type ID and want to have a name in front of ID, so I will use VLOOKUP formula. It start with is equal to VLOO, so VLOOKUP, press tab. The first one is lookup value. So ID will be my lookup value. Click on this cell. So whatever ID I type here, I want formula to consider that lookup value. And then comma, second one is table array. What is my data from which the formula will look up the value? So I will select this data, then press F4 and comma. Last one is result. So when the formula look up the value in this table, what is the column from where I want the result? I want the result from this column name, and I need to mention its number, like ID is on number one column and name is second column. So I will type second. So this is second column, then comma. Do I want approximate match or exact match? I want exact match. So click on this one, press tab, close of bracket, formula is ready to go, press enter. Now, when I type ID, it will give me the relevant name. So for example, if I type 1133, now you can see it has given the name Simon, which is in front of ID 1133. Simon name is mentioned. So if I change the ID, so it will change the name as well. So this is the very basic example of VLOOKUP formula. Just keep in mind the lookup column, for example, this ID column, this should be unique. ID column or any other lookup column, that should be unique. So all the values should be unique. So if any value is repeating, for example, this 1122 ID is repeating here as well, 1122, then the formula will only pick the first name. It won't pick the second name. So if I type 1122, it will only pick Josh. It won't pick the Simon. So this is the one of the limitation of VLOOKUP formula. Hope you like this video. Let me know in comments, guys, if this video helpful. I'll see you guys in next video.